How to go from blocked to blessed. Let's face it, if your gut's unhappy, your whole life is full of crap. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. I didn't poop for 3 days. 3. I wasn't in a coma, I wasn't lost at sea, I was just bloated, cranky, and asking Google some of life's deepest questions. Is it normal to cry on the toilet? How much fiber is too much fiber? And my personal favorite, can you explode from constipation? That, my friends, was the beginning of my gut health journey. You've got 2 brains, one in your head and one in your gut. And guess what? The gut controls 90% of your serotonin and bathroom confidence. The gut microbiome equals trillions of bacteria that help digest food, regulate mood, and fight disease. If it's out of balance, aka dysbiosis, you get bloating, constipation, diarrhea, brain fog, sadness, and gas that clears a room. Basically, your gut bacteria are like roommates. If you feed them junk, they throw parties at 2 a.m. and light things on fire. Let's talk fiber. Not sexy, but essential. It's like the broom for your bowels, sweeping everything out with dignity and speed. Types of fiber: soluble fiber, forms gel, slows digestion like oats, apples, and chia. Insoluble fiber, adds bulk, speeds transit example, leafy greens, nuts, whole grains. Goal, 25 to 38 grams a day. Before, I thought fiber was just an old man's cereal. Now, I treat lentils like VIP guests in my colon. Fiber's useless without water. That's like hiring a cleaning crew and locking the door. You need hydration to move things along. Dehydration equals dry stool, equals hard to pass, equals ouch 2 to 3 liters per day. Keeps your gut juicy. I carry a water bottle now like it's emotional support. Which it is, for my colon. Probiotics and prebiotics, gut besties. Your gut bacteria need food too. You don't just throw them in there and hope for the best. That's how revolutions start. Probiotics add good bugs. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso. Prebiotics feed the bugs. Garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, oats. They help balance the microbiome, reduce inflammation, and improve regularity. I started eating fermented foods and my farts got productive. That's all I'll say. If you want to go, you gotta go. Walk, stretch, bounce. Your intestines need a nudge. 20 to 30-minute daily walks. Yoga poses like wind-relieving pose. Yes, it's real, and yes, it works. 2. Stress makes you clench. Ever been too stressed to poop? Yeah, cortisol is a gut saboteur. Deep breathing, meditation, and even laughter reduce tension. I added 10 minutes of breathing after breakfast. At first, I felt silly. Then I pooped, and I stopped caring. 3. Consistent eating and bathroom habits. Your colon is a creature of habit. Feed it on time, and it'll perform on time. Eat meals a balanced meal at the right time. Train your bowels. Sit on the toilet same time daily. Yes, like a poop puppy. What to avoid? With love, not judgment. Some foods are fun going in, but tragic going out. Constipation culprits, excess cheese and red meat, without vegetable fried foods, too much caffeine or alcohol, artificial sweeteners, sorbitol, down chaos. I once ate a sugar-free protein bar and spent the next day reconsidering my life choices. It took some time. And yes, I had to say goodbye to cheese-stuffed everything. But eventually, my gut and I found peace. Now, I poop daily, happily, sometimes twice. It's not just a bowel movement, it's a full-on emotional release. I eat colors, I walk, I breathe, I water myself like a houseplant. And in return, my gut stopped yelling at me. Because when the plumbing works, everything flows. So if you're feeling backed up in life, start with your gut. Feed it fiber, hydrate it, move it, and may your next bathroom trip be brief, beautiful, and bowel blessing.